Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on color by keyword notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for our notifications options, we have to go to settings, of course. Then in notifications menu we have pop-up notification pop-up style, and here, as you can see, we have color by keyword. We can highlight our keyboard here, our name or whatever keyword we need, and done. And now our name will be highlighted if our notification will use this name. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.